Hello, here is the user's guide for the transient recorder function. It allows you to record a continuous simulation stream for a longer time period, up to 1 million data points. Clicking the black square activates the recorder together with the continuous mode of operation. Once activated, it blinks. The recording starts when the simulation is launched. As long as the simulation runs, it is recording in the background and you can interact with the simulator as usual. Here we increase the phasor angle of the machine beyond the limit of 90 degrees and therefore we have a rotor runaway, and later we will see how this looks like in the transient recorder simulation. Let's now click the recorder button again so we get the transient recorder traces. I see now the record of all the traces which I had activated in the element input forms. I would like to see the power traces only, and I can hide the traces of no interest by clicking on the list of traces to the left of the record. You see now that with each click on this list I clean up the recorder screen up to the moment where I have only the records of interest on this screen. Touching the curve highlights the corresponding element with a red square. With the cursors to the bottom left and right end of the screen, you can zoom in the area of interest. You can reactivate the hidden curve by clicking on the corresponding element of the list. And finally, you can remove the transient recorder screen by clicking on the transient recorder button. If the recording is activated, you can also see the recorded traces by simply stopping the simulation. I can as well start recording after I prepare the conditions of the network. Here, before load rejection, the infinite bus to the top right does not contribute to the power needed in the network. Now, everything is okay. I activate the transient recorder. I reject the load. The system loses stability. The infinite bus takes the entire power which is generated in the grid but is not needed anymore due to load rejection. I can now see the whole event in the transient recorder by watching the transient recorder function, where I previously already removed the traces which I'm not interested in. This is a very important function in order to understand the behavior of your network.